Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 and it is amazing. Sunroof, leather heated cooled seats, bed cover, and tons more. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the past 2 years. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this black exterior color. You have your chrome outline grille with your GMC badge in the middle there. You also have these projector beam headlamps with fog lamps below that. You also have a front sensing system and 2 tow hooks in the front. Looking down at your wheels, those are 20-inch wheels. Love the design on those. This is a 4-wheel drive vehicle, so you have your 4x4 badging on the side. And this could fall under our smart warranty, and if it does, it'll be our 5-year, 60,000-mile max care coverage and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at WowWoodys. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information. Your side mirrors are chrome capped, and they have corner mirrors so you can see easier into your blind spot on your driver's side, and they are power adjustable. You also have these running boards to help you up in the front and the back seat. Okay, so looking at these front seats, you have these black leather seats. They are heated and ventilated, super comfortable, power adjustable. Your driver's side does have memory settings as well. Then looking at your steering wheel, it is leather wrapped and heated. You have your heated button right there next to your cruise controls. You also have cluster controls and Bluetooth streaming right there with your media controls on the back. Your media center has tons of options, including your radio with all of your different settings and presets down there. You also have your phone settings, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth. And this has navigation, so this will take you right to your destination. You also have your text messaging settings there, and then all of your other apps, including Projection Manager, are right there. And when your vehicle is on, you have a backup camera. So that can help you line up a trailer or just back out of a tight spot. You have your radio control CD insert, and then your climate controls with that LCD display right there. And then looking down, you have your sensing system, bed light, traction control, power pedals right there. And then on the sides are your heated and cooled buttons for your seats. You have lots of plugging in options with 2 USB ports, a 115 volt and 2 12 volts. You also have 2 cup holders here and a wireless charging pad. So you can just lay your phone down here while you're driving and it will charge your phone. Then looking into your center console, you have 2 USB ports, an aux port, and a 12 volt. And looking up, you have OnStar, which is subscribable, garage door openers, controls to your sunroof, and a power sliding rear window to let some nice fresh air inside the truck. Then making your way out, this has a Bose sound system. Okay, so looking at the specs, so you have room for 3 passengers. You can also fold down this cup holder armrest there with 2 cup holders, and you have a 12 volt in the back. This is split bench as well, so you can fold up either side to give you some more space down below. Making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps back here, your SLT and your Sierra badging, along with your rear sensing system and your tow package. I also love these corner steps to help you climb up into the bed. Then let's take a look into your bed here. You do have a bed liner and a bed cover, so you're very protected on both sides. And yeah, overall, love this truck. Tons of great features inside of it. You have those heated cooled seats, that media center, and it also has under 30,000 miles. So if you want to see this GMC Sierra or any of our other trucks, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in my lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.